kittens.
Hi, Freshkins.
Ow. How you doing? It's Lashaya.
I'm a wolf.
Okay, anyway, we're gonna do origami. Origami. And this little circle right here, I know you can't see it, but it's a zebra.
Okay, are we gonna open?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let's open. Don't want to cut myself. I was about to say I don't want to cut my scissors.
What are you saying?
I don't know. Just don't know. Help me! Don't sit there.
These are so tiny.
P.S. You got this for Christmas for me, but I never used it because I'm not a bad friend. I like origami. I just forgot it was up there. Honestly.
Sorry.
Be careful with those scissors.
I'm sorry.
Open the origami and don't poke me in the eye. Please. Dang.
I did
You
it.
fart.
No, I didn't. Oh, we need a part.
There's garbage can.
Why won't we put it over here?
Are you judging me now?
No, I'm just.
Okay, how do you open it? Oh, I got it! I got it! No, I didn't. Help me. Help me. Oh, no, I didn't. I did. Free origami. Yay. What if this was a board game?
Oh my god.
We ain't reading this.
That's how you build them.
So we have to read it?
No.
Okay. Where's my glass? Okay, I don't care. In Japanese, the word origami means folding paper. Well, it means this in English, too. It is an art which one makes
You're so Chinese, it's Japanese.
geometric folds increase patterns in paper to create lifelike representations of the world around us. Often these representations are life found in nature, such as animals or flowers. I'm Lily.
Oh my god.
This book will help you learn how to make your own amazing origami creations. I don't care if I said Japanese.
You said Chinese,
I'm
I'm saying. Oh my god, I'm sorry. This is the turtle.
That's creepy.
No.
What is it? What the? This ain't no foreign paper. This is a creepy slideshow.
This is the hippo.
Origami began in China in the 1st or 2nd century. 1st or 2nd, get it right. Shortly after the invention of paper in that country. Invention of paper.
This is a fly.
Okay, I'm gonna. This ain't learning how to do it. Oh yeah, there it is. Caterpillar.
Salty or no?
Salty, y'all. Okay, so caterpillar. Where's the? Is this a caterpillar? Yeah, this is a caterpillar. Okay.
What is this? What is
One
this?
blank side. I do.
What the? What is this? Here, I'll show you guys. See, look at that. What is that?
This ain't right.
Huh? I think that's an owl.
Okay, I folded it in half. Fold to the left and right.
Fold to the left, to the left.
Oh my god. Did it. And then of mountains.
Oh my god.
Perfect. Perfect. Where's it? I'm so careful.
Okay.
Did that valley fold over?
What does that mean?
I don't know.
This is uneven.
You can't blame me for everything.
I ain't blaming you.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Michelle Williams is blaming me.
No, I ain't. So shut up.
She is blaming me, people. Get her. Get this girl. Rage for her comments and reply yes to all of them. Like a rebel.
Don't. You are so mean. They don't know that we're gonna do that for them. That face. Look like Chinese.
We really need a cameraman.
Put this in. Top again.
Okay, so I think this means like go like this, then you go like this, and that's how you do it. When
Let me
you watch
show
videos,
We're also going to do a taste testing video next. What is this?
I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Throw it away then.
Should this be the end of the video?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye, kids.
Wait. We have to bring it to the middle.
Hi. Bye, kittens. I hope you liked your
Bye,
video.
fresh mints. See you next.